Hi there, welcome to this lesson where we'll be talking about mermaids on screen. With this, I'm referring to the concept of mermaids that all of us have in our minds and which has been formed due to animations. If we think of mermaids, we immediately imagine a woman with a tail of a fish, very beautiful creatures who sing like the angels, right? So here I've made a summary for you to see which are the main well-known mermaids characters on the screen. However, we need to keep in mind that mermaids' history is darker than we think. Still, we'll be talking about the concept of mermaids created by different animated series and films. As I was saying, all of us relate this character to a beautiful and attractive woman whose enchanting voice attracts sailors. For instance, this one you can see here is a series called Sick and Sharko. The whole series is about the characters trying to capture the mermaid. As you can see, the mermaid has the following characteristics: down earth, with beautiful hairstyle, a tail of a fish, etc. It's a very feminine character. Here, in the second example, we have Barbie. As we all know, there are tons of movies starred by Barbie having different professions each time. In the movie of the screen, Barbie is a mermaid, and obviously a really feminine character with the braids, all the glitter, etc. As you can see, she fits perfectly inside the beauty standards of this fantastic being offered by the entertainment world. However, it can be said that all these features are connected with an almost supernatural beauty. Well, in Barbie's case, she embodies the highest degree of femininity with all the pink and pastel shades and the glitter everywhere. Such is the presence of mermaids in animation productions that there are even manga and anime series starred by mermaids. Have a look at Peachy Peachy Beach, for instance, which is about 3 young women with the ability to transform into mermaids. Therefore, they have charming voices, and their magical powers depend on the strength and beauty of their voice. We can see that when they transform into mermaids, they have a really long hair and their colors are very feminine. Well, in the case of the Green Mermaid, she also had long hair in her human version. So, basically, these characters represent or build up the concept of mermaid, or the stereotype of mermaids we all have in mind, created through animations of series and movies. Okay, the most well-known mermaid worldwide is this one we can see now on the screen, the Little Mermaid. This story is about a mermaid who wants to become human. Again, we can identify in her similar characteristics: fish tail, slim and feminine body shape, long and flashy hair, and also a spectacular voice which she uses to become human. Thus, when we think of the Little Mermaid, we think of a slim girl with a pretty face, and so the concept of mermaid we have has been formed in this way. However, in the past, mermaids were marine monsters who lure sailors to the rocks and caused their death. Nowadays, however, mermaids are synonyms for beauty and mystery. So guys, now we know a little bit more about mermaids. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about graphic references. See you!